Today is day 1 of the SMART beard head transplant yesterday, and patient wished to have the extension of the beard. Let's have a look now. Previously we have done here, and patient wanted to increase the density here, the French beard. This is the moustache on the left side, this is the left goatee, this is the right goatee, this is the right moustache. The center here is the fighter, and here we did not touch. Patient didn't want to add anything around here. Now the graft is all intact today, day 1. Everything looks good. Here is very high density. He wants very high density here. Above here is the soft look here. That was the surgical plan and the surgical organization of grafts which we have done yesterday. And we can see today is day 1. That's not much swelling, there's no bleeding, and all the grafts are intact in the right angle, right direction.
Thank you, Professor Dr. Dato, JasG, and Claudius.